Hello, beautiful entrepreneurs that are making the world a better place. Now, if you're an entrepreneur, what being an entrepreneur is about is you're finding solutions to problems and then you create a business around it, or you make something you want to bring this service and this solution to the problem that you found that probably happened in your own life, and then you turn it into a business and then you want to share it with everyone that need this service or this project, this product that you're providing. So it all comes from an idea. You saw a problem and you want to turn it into a solution, and now you start having ideas as well. What you want to do is do a business model, because the business model is going to help you turn this idea that you have into a business that will be profitable for you, and the people that you serve are going to be more than willing to pay you for the services that you bring to them, because you are the solution and you are providing the solution to their problem. So how you do this, the business model is super important because it's super quick to do. It'll take you a maximum of 15-20 minutes. And once you've done that, you know all the people that you need to approach, how you're going to approach them, the people that are helping you. On this side, this is like the side where it's the how you're going to run your business, and on that side is how you're going to reach your customers and who are your customers that you want to serve. So it all goes in order. There are 9 segments in the business model. It's been invented by a gentleman that wanted to maximize the strength of small businesses he was working with, but it works so well that huge corporations use the business models now. You'll see like BMW and McDonald's. You can look at their business models online. It's really simple to do, and it will give you a general idea on how you want to run your business and grow it and expand it, and how you can scale your own business. So where you want to start is on the right side. You go start with customer service, and that means who is your ideal customer? Who is the person you want to serve the most, and who can would really benefit from your services or your products. This is your like ideal client. You just want to describe them there, and all the promotion that you're going to do is going to be directed for this customer that you are serving. Then second, you want to go to your value proposition in the middle there, and this is how you differentiate from your competitors. What's special about you, and what's a problem that you're solving, what is the solution that you are bringing, and how you're making it more accessible or easier for your customers to relate to you, and what you're giving that's extra from your competition or your competitive advantage. Number 3 is the channels. So how do you reach the customers that you want to serve with your value proposition? How do you reach them? So do you have a website? Do you have an e-commerce? Do you do TV? Do you do talk shows? Do you do promotion? Do you have flyers that you send out? Are you advertising in a newspaper? Anywhere on social media, your marketing plan? So that would be your channel. So how do you reach your customer? To let them know about your business and the value that you're giving to them. Now, number 4 is the customer relationship. So once you have clients, how do you stay in touch with them? Once they have bought from you and you know that they have wanted your service, now what do you do to keep in touch with them, follow up on the services that you've provided? So because they will be returning customers, there are some other things that you can sell to them again. Once they've bought, they're going to be much easier to upgrade on the services or the products that you've given to them, and they will want to be repeat customers. So how do you keep the relationship going so that they want to come back? Like, are you giving promotions, or some companies, they give you like a Starbucks, they give you like cards, like buy 10 coffees and then you get one for free. Well, that's a good customer relationship that you're giving. You're just creating value, and they want to be repeat customers because they're getting something out of the relationship. So how do you treat your customers? You send emails every week talking about new ways that they can solve the problems, and then eventually you can use this marketing tool to sell something else to them. So that would be like, how do you all what is customer base and the services that you're providing, how do you work it out and reach them? Then you're going to be on the left side of the business model is how, what you're doing, what's your day-to-day operations and how you're running your business. So the first thing, you're going to go to key activities. So what are the services that you provide and to your customers, and everything that you need to do from unlocking the office in the morning if you're working in a physical office. If you're working from home, well, then it's managing your website, managing the phone calls, and well, everything that is done at the work, you put it in the key activities. Then you want the key resources. Is what do you need, like the physical office, the people that are working for you as well. Do you need an assistant? Do you need like accounting, taxes? Is it done in-house? Or you can put it in the key partners. If it's done out of the business, then they will be like subcontractors, and like maybe the law firm is out of office, and the accounting services, the bookkeeping, is it something that you do yourself in-house with your key activities, or you delegate that or put that out of office? So those are the key partners, the people that you're partnering with. They might be sponsors for your business as well, the people funding your business. So those are on the left there. And the how, well, you want to do your revenue stream. So how are you making money with your business? So is it from selling products? You can collect money from sponsors there as well. And look at all the options. Can you do crowdfunding? Because you want to change the world, right? And you want to make an impact. So who wants to help you make an impact? Those are the revenue streams, and how you can maybe offer some partners their services that you're already using. Maybe you want to offer it to your customers as well and make a commission or affiliate commission out of that. So that will be in revenue streams as well. So this is how you can monetize your business. So to those customers that you are reaching, how can you monetize the relationship that you are building? Because you're providing them great value, great services. You're making an impact in the world, making the world a better place. Well, how can you monetize the service that you are giving? So that would be at the bottom right. And then the bottom left, finally, is the cost structure. So what's the cost for your business to operate your business? So if you're renting space, maybe in a co-working space, which I really love to do because it's just available and you have the resources that you need around you, or you want like a physical office. Do you need storage space? Is it an industry that you're running? Do you need like manufacture? Are you importing, exporting? This will be in your cost structure, and plus the key partners, the people that do subcontracting for you because you're buying their services. This will be in the cost. And then when you're an entrepreneur, do not forget about yourself. So make sure that you are in the cost structure, because your time is extremely valuable. You're giving your gift to the world and making the world a better place. Make sure that you are compensated for your efforts. And this is not only an equity in the business, but give yourself a salary so that you can survive. Because I know it myself. It can be hard when you put everything in your business, and then you want to you want to be able to still live, get a place to live, get food on the table, and have a family that's not just surviving. So make sure that you fill the business model Canva. I will put a link to download one in the description, and I will also put a link because I want to get in touch with all of you beautiful entrepreneurs out there that are making the world a better place. What I want to do and to offer you is I'll spend some time. We can book a 30-minute call where we'll go and review your business model if you've made one, and we'll look at what can be improved and how we can scale your business. So I want to sit down with you, review your business model. If you need help at completing it, we'll go through it together, and we will take your idea and make a plan for it so that this can be implemented, and we'll give you all the resources that you need with the Global Council. All the resources that you need and the partners will be available for you. The people that understand your idea and that are able to implement your idea to make something that's really, really successful, and something that is a platform that is easy for you to share your gift with the world, and the idea that you have the solution to the problem, make it available to the public. So I'm blessed to speak with you today. This has been quite a long video, but with a lot of information. So you want to take notes and you want to do this business model, you want to listen to the video again and again, and this will be very clear on what you need to put in your business model, and book a call with me. I'll make it for free for you. This is worth like $500, because when you sit down and you make sure that your business model is made properly, this is going to save you countless hours of struggling making your business plan that's like 40 pages long, when you're not even sure if your ideas can be profitable. So make this first. It'll take you 15-20 minutes, and then we can review, just to make sure that your idea can be implemented, can be replicated, and can be scaled to make a big impact in the world. So it's actually worth like thousands and thousands of dollars, because you do not want to be wasting 2 years on working on a business that cannot make profit for you and that cannot be scaled to make a big impact in the world. So we'll go through it together. Make sure that you have a business that can be implemented, and then you can take it on from there and make something that's amazing, and make the world a better place, which is what I want to see you do. So thank you so much. You have an amazing day, and I sincerely wish you a lot of fun doing the business model. It's a lot of fun for me, and have a great, amazing day. You are blessed, and you are an amazing person that I really sincerely love. Thank you.